All right. We got Banjo. He really wants to come with, but we're not gonna let him. I was about to leave you guys, but I realized if I'm doing a review, I better be taking you along for the ride. Oh yeah. It'll just be town cruising, nothing too crazy. Try to keep it casual, not piss anybody off, but yeah. Here we go, gonna mount you up. Get you on the good old chest cam, baby. Okay, buckled. Just rolled over. I don't know where that good angle is, but flat as can be is ideal. All right. I always forget when I'm mountain biking and then come to this thing, I'm slamming on the, thinking it's the rear brake, but it's the front brake. Throws me for a little loop. We're going to Grant's, gonna hang out at the Griff, and then go up to Lefty's for a beer. I was like, well, I better get some miles in on this thing. This is kind of my favorite setting, and it's, you can see clear on the left, clear on the right. Let's go. See how much power you're using, your controller temps, and your motor temp. I just love the sound. I'm really getting used to the sound of that. Set up a little higher. Clear behind me. Literally catching up to vehicles. Ah, it's so much fun. Yeah, look how beautiful it is out tonight. Oh, car behind me. Let her keep it going. People golfing, people big chilling. Look at that. Oh, beautiful evening. Just gotta make sure rubber side down, as they say. I really am. It's so tempting to want to pass people, but I know like I shouldn't, but I think I will eventually here. It's just too easy not to. Just does so well. Oh. I'm gonna meet that guy right there. He's bombing. Holding 65, pulling up the hill. Whoa. Let's see, we got an officer here. Let's see if he does anything. Wow, just beautiful. He's on his phone. The officer is on his phone. We're in the clear. And we just kind of pretend to pedal a little bit so it just looks like we're not yoinking the throttle as hard as we are, but really we're kind of wide open. I'm seeing so many good jibs on that golf course that I know I'm not allowed to fucking do. Beautiful. Left side back brake, left side back brake. I gotta like really ingrain that in my head. There's the scooter that I might just have to pass. I don't know if I should though. Let's just go the speed limit. Oh, we're into it. Why not? Sneaky, sneaky. Come up on people, always slow down quite a bit. Turn it down to 0. The sidewalks. Okay, back up the tree. Why not? Okay, we have to get onto the main pad here. So much fun. That acceleration is like none of that. And you can just, oh, just pedal through the stop sign. Alright, cut you here, but hope you enjoyed. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate you guys.